Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about reflexive pronouns, and this topic is taken from your unit The Flying Lady. First of all, let's revise what is a noun and what is a pronoun. You can see here there are some definitions. A noun is a word that is a person, place or thing. A pronoun can be used in place of a noun. A personal pronoun is used in place of a noun that is a person or thing. For example, Emma loves chocolate. She could eat it all day. You can see Emma is a noun and she is pronoun of Emma. Chocolate is a noun and it is pronoun of chocolate. So these are personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used so that you don't have to repeat the same words in your writing. Here are some personal pronouns. For example, you can see we, I, you, it, he, she, and they also. Now let's learn about reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used to turn the action done by the subject of a sentence back to the subject. For example, I was singing to myself. In this sentence, I is personal pronoun and I's reflection is myself. Here you will see a list of reflexive pronouns. They have two types, singular and plural. Singular reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, and plural forms are ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Now here are some examples of himself and herself. You can see here, he is thinking to himself. Now he is pronoun and himself is reflection of he. She is talking to herself. She is pronoun and she's reflection is herself. Another example, be careful, don't burn yourself. Now we can see here, yourself is a singular reflexive pronoun. I myself got badly burned last month. So I is pronoun and myself is a reflection of I. I'm sure you have understood well about reflexive pronouns. So here is a task for you. Use reflexive pronouns in your own sentences. You can see here there are some reflexive pronouns, himself, herself, yourself, itself. They all are singular. Ourselves plural, themselves plural, and yourselves plural. I have made one sentence for you as an example. For example, himself, he himself runs his business. Now rest of the reflexive pronouns you will use in your own sentences. Goodbye, have a nice time.